How to make pretty paper snowflakes. The supplies you will need is a piece of paper and scissors. That's it. So first, you want to make the piece of paper into a square. You can do that by folding the short edge to be even along the long edge. I use the back of my scissors to straighten out the edges so it's very straight. Now you have this rectangle that you want to cut off. Now you have a square piece of paper that is folded diagonally to make a triangle. Now you take the two endpoints and fold them over to be on top of each other. Straighten that really nice. And now you do the same thing, taking those two ends and folding them onto each other again. This time you want to unfold it, and you see that there's a crease in the middle. So what you want to do is take a long edge from the side and fold it so it touches the crease. Make sure the point is nice and straight, and then flatten it. So now you see that the two edges touched and there is a middle crease. Now you take the big part and fold it over again. So you have a Star Trek symbol. Almost looks like a paper airplane. And you want to flatten it out so all the edges are straight. And that is what it looks like. So now you want to cut off the two tails at the end. If you don't cut them off, the whole piece of paper will still be in the shape of a square. Now you have a triangle. I'm going to go ahead and cut another triangle out right from the middle. It doesn't matter that the two sides aren't even. Now you can cut out any random shapes that you would like. I like to do triangles, but it's up to you. Cut off the point if you want the center to have a hole in it. If you want the center to be solid, don't cut it off. Now I'm going to show you a way to make a more intricate snowflake. I'm going to cut off the tails just like normal. And right along this crease in the middle, I'm going to fold the triangle in half. Fold it in half. I'm going to straighten out the creases. I'm going to go ahead and cut off the corners just by going diagonally across. And I'm also going to cut off the point so that it's not solid in the center. In order to have a more intricate snowflake, I'm cutting out very small triangles very close together with very small space in the middle. Be extremely careful not to accidentally cut through to the other side of the triangle, otherwise you will have a very big gap in the middle or a very small snowflake. Alright, now let's open it up and see how it turned out. Be careful not to rip anything.